Hello, welcome to Programming Academic channel. And guys, today we are going to learning in this video and in this new tutorial, we are going to learning how to build new financial dashboard. So this is a financial dashboard. We are going to start to end full course for data analysis. So this is all the basics. You are going to learning how to become a data analyst, how to start to make a really world decisions. So you are going to make your own decisions, good decisions. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's go to start. So guys, this is for a Power BI dashboard, and it's look like this. And you are going to in this screen here. All our work going to be done here. And so let's go to start. Here you're going to get all the resource, right? So many here resource, you see multiple resource, right? You're going to get many data, so all the resource you're going to here. Or also you come to here, you see get data from another resource. Also it's the same like this one, but whatever you want you can choose. But let's go to here. uh, so we are going to get from the Excel work source. So we come to here from Excel, because our data is Excel. Here I have a new data. Okay, let's go to bring. Okay, just wait, guys. It will take a little bit time because this is a very big data, so it's take a little bit time. So wait until to upload our data. Okay, you see here. So we have a one sheet, guys. Here, only one sheet. Okay, so look. So it's look like this, guys. So guys, when you upload any data, your own or from any data that you download from any website or any uh, applications, at first you have to understanding inside your data. If you are not understanding your data, it is difficult to become a it is difficult to understanding what inside this data. You have to understanding at first how looks or how inside the data, because you don't know that's any data someone created and just you want to analyze because you don't understand them, and it's difficult to get the right you know to make right decision, right? So in that way I'm just telling you how to do it and transform. At first, to transform the data. So transforming the data, it's meaning you are going to cleaning all your data, something that you don't want, any column or any line that you don't want to, any date or anything that you want to fix. So that's meaning transforming the data. So it's meaning cleaning data before you go into build your website or build uh, your dashboard. So let's we are here. Let's come to, if we want to, let's go to here before we go to upload our data. Let's go to transform. Yeah. Okay, guys, it's transformed. It's look like this. This is another, you see screen here. You see it's given us also another color. You see, because we are going to make some change. So any guys, you want to make a change, it's going to be, you see, automatically it's going to be change type. So because if we change something here, any line or any code, so it's going to show us. So we are going to, there is so many multiple column is empty here. We are going to, guys, delete. Okay, I'm going to show you. You see, look here, these all columns are empty. You see here, none, 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 right? So there's a many columns here. We are going to delete. Look guys, how many column here. So before the data, it's not look like this. How do you know there is something inside? It's not, empty, or you don't know right inside. But now we already understand how to look this data, right? So this is the meaning, guys, cleaning your or transform your data. So come to here on the top here, right click, and then remove. We don't want. And also this one, like this. Like that, just click to remove this all. We done this one. I'm going to click to delete this all because this we don't need. Okay, cool. So let's go to back. I want to show you how our data look inside. See guys, we have a region, country, and then sales region, and then first name, and then last name, and then gender. So the data looks inside like this. You see, now data is look great, right? And also we have a rank and stores and the labels and product. Okay, so guys, we have here months, right? So let's click. Okay. Okay, we have a mouse. Okay, we have a text. So we have a year. I want you guys to change in the yeah, see type. So come to here guys to click and then to come to type because we want to change to rank or whole number or fix decimal numbers or date. So we want to change from months. We are going to make text. Look guys, now it's change, and then also here it is same. Click and then come to on the type, and then we wanted to leave on text. See, and also it's changed now. Thing right. So let's go to on the top here. We want to change. See guys here on the top. Now I'm going to show you how it's look. Yeah. So now here, so you don't make nothing, just apply and then apply change. So now it's going to be to save all that we make a change. So you see guys, going to be uploading again because we make a change. So you're going to see how it's look now, the data, just in few minutes. So this is the meaning guys in the way that you are going to cleaning your data and then you're going to analyze your data. So now we are going to see how looks our data. Okay, here guys we have a look guys, all those empty columns, so it's already gone, right? We don't have any empty columns here, right? We all delete, and we are also come to here. So we have guys three here. We have a report views, so and then we have a guys uh, this the table views. So table views, this is what we have. You see everything we delete, right? So now you can look your data how it's look, because if there's anything missing here, any line, you can see, right? So we already delete those. So now you can just go down here. Now you see, you can see this is a big huge data you can see inside. This is a very big. 2021 to 2020 sales data for financial. So you can see here, and okay, 2019, also from 2019, 2020, and I think it's 2020. I think yeah. So this is a very big until 2022. So it's a very multiple data. So you can go through and then to see all the rows and how you, and then come to here and models. So models is meaning how many. This is the meaning. Multiple tables, multiple data. You have a multiple database, right? You want to connect it them, right? So that's the meaning multiple database. So how to use a multiple database in this field. So that's the meaning how to use multiple database. And then this another. So I already showed you. So in my guys, I think we want to stop here. And then in my next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your full stack dashboard. So that's to see you in my next tutorial. Bye for now.